What's up, everybody? It's me, WWE Biggest AJ Styles fan here, and we are doing GTS Money in the Food in the Fridge predictions, and yes, GTS Food in the Fridge, our third GTS pay-per-view of $1.99, and yeah, and I never get to watch.
You never get to watch what?
GTS Extreme Tools. Yes, and our first match we'll have is Oliver clothes off and Manabo to against SWAT City, and who is a 3-on-2 handicap match. And who I want to win is I'm going for SWAT City. It's Ace Musman, Jay Medic, and Soda Pop Smith. Yeah. The next match is a fatal 5-way for the Junk in the Trunk. Yeah. It's an elimination match, but I don't know who is it, but I'm just gonna say Cletus, who is it? Cletus, DGDX, Leather, Giant Leather, and Slenderman. And yes, who I want to win? Adam Corvus. Did I say P. Corvus? But yeah, I'm picking Corvus. The next match is gonna be the Intercontinental Championship GTS match. Kurt Bale versus Tiny Turd, Tiny Turd, Tiny Turd, Tiny Turd, Tiny Turd, yeah, Tiny Turd for the GTS IC Championship belt. And who I want to win? I'm seeing Tiny Turtle win. Yeah. The next match is this is not a match. It's GTS roster trying to unmax Jeff the Killer. Who I think who's gonna unmax him is gonna be Grim to unmax Jeff the Killer. The next match is a Food in the Fridge briefcase ladder match, and what I want to win is who I want to win if it had me James the Mailman. I'm just picking James the Mailman, Tom, James Mailman, we might see the return of I need to pause this video. I'm gonna go use the bathroom. Alright guys, I have to wait until someone gets out the bathroom. So yeah, continuing the main, like, the GTS, yeah, food and fridge ladder match. We'll have, you might see the return of Stan, Stan, who was the first one I picked? I'll say random. I forgot who's the first random animal, but Jamie the Mount. Did I say Jamie the Mailman? Yeah, Jamie the Mailman. Who else GTS roster? Who is not on the card? Maybe I'll have a Rojo. Yeah. I guess I'll pick Foreman. I'll have a Rojo. Spider. I'll pick these nuts. I got it. Psych. Oh, we never seen Matt Castle in a long time. So, yeah, Matt Castle. That makes 5. 4, Matt Castle. 5, Max Frost. 6, Raw Panda.
Who's that?
Chance. The 6th man might be the return of let's see, the return of Vlad. Yeah, not picking Vlad. That was genius. Now we get to the main event. The GTS main event card. And it's a triple threat match for the YouTube Wrestling Figures Heavyweight Champion, Jay the Krinsky Evans. Jay the Krinsky Evans. I saw the GTS show today, and Jay the Krinsky Evans was not injured. He said, injured. I was just playing around. So yeah. No update. No concussion. Nothing. J.K. Evans, Tommy Salami, and Grimm for the GTA. Why do I keep on saying GTA champion? Shanks, Fanny, GTS championship. And who I want to win the triple threat. Oh God.
Wait, you're not doing anything. You're just being a cute little
Shanks.
You're being a cute little fat baby. And fat babies.
One for them. You know, I'm picking Grimm. Because I believe Grimm is a two recipes. I don't know how many times he won that belt, but yeah. So yeah, this is the early predictions video. Yeah. And if we see any more matches, we'll get you an update on the other matches. So yeah. And on our kickoff show, I want to see Kid Christian versus Kid Christian versus Landscaper. And if that happens, I'm picking Landscaper on the pre-show. So yeah, let me cosplay. And subscribe for more, and bye.